Hey guys, this is Rick from IAG with a quick update on our 2022 Wrx shop car. We've been lining up some parts for install and review, and we're excited to start out with this ETS Catback system from our friends at Extreme Turbo Systems. We've worked with the guys from ETS for years, and as usual, they're at the forefront of development for the 22 Wrx platform. Let's grab Fred, gather our tools, and get started. Installation is fairly straightforward and requires simple hand tools. A second set of hands is helpful, but certainly not necessary. A skilled installer with a lift can install this bad boy in no time, but I'd allow a few hours if installing in your driveway or home garage. ETS uses V-band connections for a leak-proof seal and easy alignment. It is a true 3-inch catback from the mating flange all the way to the muffler tips and includes several solutions from mounting up to a factory downpipe as well as 3-inch flanged aftermarket downpipes. The ETS is available in muffled or extreme versions as well as with or without a resonator. Quad, double wall, stainless steel 3.5-inch tips are offered in blued, polished, or black. We selected the extreme version with a resonator and blued tips for our shop car, hoping for a nice overall sound without too much drone in the cabin. The verdict is out on whether blued tips look best on our white and pink combo. Let us know what you think in the comments below. All variations of this exhaust are either in stock at IAG or available for ship out within a few days. Check out the link on our web store or contact our friendly customer service team to discuss the different options. The fit and finish are looking great. Let's fire her up and check out Cold Start. Sounds good. Smooth. Sounds deeper than an FA20. But that's nice. After spending the last several months focusing on the suspension and the aesthetic of our 2022 Wrx, we're finally headed down the power mod rabbit hole. We have some additional parts from ETS which we're planning to install in the coming weeks. We also have an access port on the way shortly from our friends at Cobb Tuning. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. We'll catch you next time.